Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official NerdWallet website. In order to log into your existing account, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner, and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now if you created your account using your Apple or your Google account, you can simply click on the respective buttons and then just click on your account to automatically log in. Now if you created your account the old-fashioned way, then just go ahead and enter your email address followed by your account password. Then just click on the continue button and you will be logged into your NerdWallet account. In case you forgot your password, just go ahead and click on the forgot your password button and you will be allowed to reset your login credential. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.